Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to turn a photo to a sketch on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So with a single tap, your photo is converted into a detailed sketch. So the AI interprets outlines and shading and details to replicate the look of a hand-drawn illustration. So let me show you how to do this. So this works great on a portrait. So let's say, for example, this one here. We'll go ahead and turn this photo into a sketch art. So we'll go ahead and tap on Galaxy AI. Now here you want to go ahead and tap on Portrait Studio. Now just above that, go ahead and swipe all the way to the left and tap on Sketch. Now we want to go ahead and tap on Generate. So this will basically create a sketch out of this photo. So just give it some time and there you go. So if you like this, you can go ahead and tap on Save Copy. If you don't like it, you can go ahead and tap on Generate one more and create different variations out of it. So now you have two variations. So whatever you like, you can go to tap and save copy. And now you have a photo. So this is what the original looked like. And this is what your sketch is now. So as you can see, this opens up new creative possibilities from personalized profile images to unique prints and digital artwork. So there you go, guys. That is how to turn a photo to a sketch on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.